Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. In today's video, we are going to see the unboxing and setup of the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. I bought this mic from Amazon.com. It is available both in Amazon and FLIPKART. I will mention the links below in the description box. Once I open the box, I can see a black leather pouch and also a plastic cover which consists of the accessories of the microphone. The leather pouch consists of the microphone along with the microphone cable and the microphone controller with the microphone jack. So the microphone cable is a 20 feet cable which is very useful to record videos from a long distance. First, remove the battery and check out the minus and plus symbols on the battery and also the microphone controller. Place the battery in the correct position, checking the plus and minus symbols, and then lock or close out the microphone or power supply controller. So next, we are going to attach the lapel clip into the microphone. Just press on the ring into the microphone firmly until it gets locked into the microphone. Now insert the mic into the wind foam. This reduces the noise level Now that we have assembled the microphone, we can start using the microphone by connecting to the PC or mobile phones or camera. So there is a 20 feet long cable connected to the 3.5 mm gold plated jack. Next, there is an amplifier pin which is used to connect the microphone to the amplifier. Also, we have the microphone power controller which has two options, the on and the off option. The on is the camera option which is used for recording. The off or the smartphone option is used to save battery while not recording. Finally, there is a microphone and a lapel clip which can be attached to your dress, and also a wind foam which is used to avoid the noise. And that's all for today guys. Hope you liked my video. Provide your comments, and if you have any feedback, please provide in the comment section. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel and provide your support. Thank you for watching my video guys.